going on, Transformers Prime fans? Regan, Wilks, Autism Production here. That's right, R-W-A-P, Regan, Wilks. That's right. And welcome back to another exciting Transformers Prime Season 1, Episode 3 action of all time you have been waiting for. And today is February, folks. Happy February, everyone. And today I'm going to be reacting and watching the Season 1, Episode 22 called Stronger, Faster. It's like it seems a very interesting episode, so we're on to the Episode 22. We are finishing up. We're closer to finishing up. There's also the next episode. There are like 4 parts. The episode 23 is called One Shall Fall, and now 3 parts to finishing up. Season 1 is called One Shall Rises. It's like a Darkness Rising 5-part episode. So, but the finale of Season 1 is like a 3-part miniseries. I think it might be like a 4-part miniseries to me, but we'll get into that later. So, I want to know what this one's about for Transformers Prime Season 1 Episode 22. So, hope this could be interesting. So, anyways, without further ado, transform and roll out. Whoa.
Surprisingly stable.
Hey, Ratchet. Is that synthetic Energon?
Well, yes. In fact, I'm preparing to test a sample.
I see that you come equipped with protective goggles.
I can watch?
We wear goggles in science class at school. Cause science rules. And Bill Nye the Science Guy.
B.
This iteration of the formula requires further trial before we can even think about using it for fuel, ammunition, or first aid. Which is rather unfortunate since our own Energon reserves are at an all-time low. Our severely outnumbered warriors have been rapidly burning through our stockpile of late. As the Decepticon army continues to...
Show the recap from the previous episodes I've watched.
Natural Energon is in
and the first episode about Cliffjumper's death was messed up.
Megatron seems to have his oily claws buried deep in all the Earth's deposits. But if we can successfully produce a synthetic form, we can manufacture all the energy we'll ever need.
More Energon on the move.
Again? Their recent activity suggests a familiar pattern. The Decepticons are desperately scouting for new deposits to mine. Autobots?
Optimus. If one of you comes back wounded this time, well, our Energon reserves are nearly depleted.
Understood. Activate the ground bridge.
Autobots, roll out!
Sometimes, I wish I could do more.
Do more fighting, or... Let's change the light to green. That's new. I want to try that on myself.
Ratchet! Wake up!
How is it that such small beings can be so loud?
Are you hurt? You fell.
I'm fine. I'm
You kind of passed out.
more than fine. Ha! Energy efficiency is up 30%.
Whoa.
Motor functions optimal?
Man,
Any word from the others?
that's new. I mean, like I said, I wish I could try it on myself. If it changed my eyes.
Knockout! Can't we just bridge out of here?
Wait, that's the Cosmic Cube from the Avengers?
Drag on me!
Part of the Infinity Stones?
The more we give the Autobots a workout, the more fuel they burn, and we win the Energon race. Besides, here comes air support.
Vehicons. I mean, Vehicons always like to turn to the cars and jets, right? So there's no boat vehicles they can't transform into? Well, I mean, there's some Autobots and aerial bots turning into vehicles and fighter jets. And Dinobots and others. Oh, there you go, Arcee. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. That's nice. Ooh, sliding to transform. Okay. Well.
Arcee, fall back. You're outnumbered.
But she's fine.
We're always outnumbered. We need that Energon.
Ratchet, lock onto Arcee's coordinates and prepare an emergency ground bridge.
I'm locked up. Arcee, decelerate and prepare to return to base.
Save it, Ratchet. I'm too close.
Don't be a fool.
Well, she got it. Don't worry. She can handle it. I mean, she's fine. Man, missiles are coming after me. Jeez. Oh.
She's hurt. Man the ground bridge.
What's Ratchet gonna do? Well, they're circling her. Like circles. Like squaring her up. Oh! Nice superhero link. Oh! Whoa! Jeez! Time to hero up. Man, doing karate moves. The Tuya! Jeez!
Looks like the
I
Autobots
see you.
brought in a ringer.
Well, then I'll ring his
I
bell.
see you, Ratchet.
It'll have to wait.
Dang, he just kicked the head and slapped me off. Oh! Wait, hold up! Jeez! Bro, Ratchet got the moves. Hooah! Wow.
I only see
That
the
was-
gory aftermath, but I hear the doc was a one-bot wrecking machine.
Oh, is this doing karate?
Hey, little fella.
All right, what's your secret?
No secret. Just a little something I like to call something.
Something.
From the data bulkhead transcribed? I thought the formula was...
Incomplete?
Oh, wait.
Not anymore.
From the previous episode.
So Ratchet makes a better tough guy than I do a smart guy?
Ratchet, I question the wisdom of using yourself as a test subject.
Optimus, you didn't see Ratchet out there. He was in overdrive. We should all try this stuff.
I mean,
Or give
since
Ratchet
it's
more so
crazy,
we can take a vacation.
I wouldn't do it like that.
I agree that the initial results seem promising, but I recommend that further testing be confined to machines, not Autobots. Outnumbered though we may be, old friend, we need a warrior in the laboratory right now, more than we need another in the field.
I mean,
And then he came right at me, and I... Well, come on, Bulk. Come at me.
I don't want to hurt you, Ratch.
he just slapped him.
Said, come at me.
Man, well, dang, Ratchet didn't got the... Didn't got the... Hooah!
What's that?
You have competition.
Man,
I'm a bit stronger than I used to be. Also a bit faster. Think you can take me, muscle car? Wimp. How's it humming?
Did he just?
how's it humming?
Stronger, Faster, studlier.
I need to be at the top of my game. Our survival depends upon it.
Looks like the cons hit another vein.
Autobots, roll out.
Well, hey, shouldn't we wait for our secret weapon?
This mission is unlikely to require medical expertise.
But you never know if it may require additional firepower.
When do you get over here?
Bumblebee can handle ground bridge duty. Time to put some hurt on those Decepticons.
Man, but I mean, when did Ratchet get some more stronger, faster with like fighting karate moves? I mean, like I said, I wanted to. Man, this is crazy. He's trying to act like Leonardo from Ninja Turtles 2012. The episode where Karai was watching Leonardo to
weak.
take down the Krang
They may have
bots.
hit a vein, but they won't find much of an Energon pulse. Not here.
I take some comfort in the fact that Megatron seems as desperate to find this stuff as we are.
Do you two always talk this much during these missions?
Oh,
It's all right. I'm an emergency vehicle.
did he just cut off his head? Or did he just stab? So he's gonna go after him. Wait, you gonna throw a rock at him?
Why the big rush?
Just trying to get as far as I can from the Autobot stink.
Does your boss know you have a potty mouth? Maybe I
Oh.
should pay him a visit and tell him.
Get melted, wheel grinder!
Melted. Now there's a concept. I won't ask you a second time. Where
Oh.
is Megatron?
Oh, but this can't be good.
Oh, that's all I know! Really?
Now, was that so difficult?
Ouch.
Ratchet, what are you doing?
Getting results.
And breaking protocol. That was a Decepticon minor. Servant class, not warrior class.
Oh, and let me guess. I'm just the medic.
Autobots do not inflict harm unless all other options have been exhausted. It is what separates us from the Decepticons.
Is this really the time for another lecture, Optimus? You didn't just happen
No.
to discover Megatron's current location, did you? Well, I did. And do you happen to know where there's a stockpile of raw Energon ripe for the taking? I do.
Come on, Ratchet. Calm it down.
Calm
Yeah,
is the last thing we need. Calm is what lost us Cybertron. The cons have a warship, an army, all this Energon scouting. You think Megatron isn't gearing up for something big? We're squandering our resources chasing after his crumbs when we really need to be hitting him hard and hitting him now. Precisely where it hurts.
A direct assault on the
Jeez.
Decepticons would only provoke retaliation and lead to incalculable losses. I will not endanger innocent human lives.
Yet you seem to have no problem endangering ours. Just ask Cliffjumper. Oh, I forgot. He couldn't be here today.
That's it!
Bruh.
You know your problem, Optimus? For such
You did not have to say it that way in front of Arcee. That's just dirty.
You didn't pound Megatron into scrap when you had the chance! Many chances, in fact!
I'm afraid that the synthetic Energon has impaired your judgment, old friend. I am confining you to base until further notice. Bumblebee, bridge us back.
Yeah, but why'd you let Bumblebee have to be the man of the ground bridge, like, in the base? Ratchet's the only one who does that. Bro, yeah, there's no way you had to say it about Cliffjumper like that. That's just dirty. That was really dirty. Jesus! What the heck? We'll just come back to the base, and then it's gonna slam Bulkhead to the ground? And then he gone off on his own.
Can't get a fix on Ratchet's coordinates.
Bro, that is messed up.
Must be scrambling his signal.
Keep trying. We've got to find
Ratchet. Man, Ratchet's gonna kill Megatron for that.
Megatron.
I mean, that's just too far. Even Cliffjumper's death part. But hey, we're back to the part from the episode 2.
Yeah, she's kind of domineering and the extra arms are weird, but I find myself intrigued by her.
Oh.
I was wondering when you might show.
You call yourself a scientist? You were supposed to have located a fresh Energon source by now.
Apologies, Lord Megatron. We got a little distracted by the new Autobot who attacked us.
Really? And what new Autobot would that be?
Ratchet. Hooah! I guess.
That is your fearsome new adversary? He's Optimus Prime's medic.
Oh no, Megatron. I am your Doctor of Doom.
Dang! Oh, he's bleeding.
All right, then.
For Cybertron!
Ratchet is rather more spirited than I recollect.
Chemical enhancement, perhaps?
Oh!
There's your laboratory sample, Doctor. Find out if a chemical can do this for Optimus Prime's lapdog. Imagine what it could do for our troops.
Oh.
Optimus,
That could really use it for evil.
I've been a fool.
Man.
Optimus, Ratchet's signal. It's back online.
Thanks to Megatron.
Autobots, roll out.
Alright.
Doctor to Doctor, I must say, your contribution to the Decepticon cause is very much appreciated. I'll be sure to boast of your accomplishment when you're gone, which will happen in 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Scrap.
Yeah. I knew something was off, but I think I would not try that on myself. Like, that really is a bad thing. If I turn evil, I make a big mistake. Ooh. Yeah, it feels like acid to me.
What are you going to do? Drink it?
No.
No.
Heal.
I'm going to destroy it.
Oh.
You idiot! Megatron will have my head!
You may have your head, but... Well... Fine knockout. When are we gonna see Starscream again? In later episodes.
Easy, old friend.
Yeah, I thought it was a good
You
thing,
lost
but
a lot of Energon.
somehow I
Good
figured out the
and
bad thing.
I didn't intend to hurt anyone. I just wanted so badly to
help us. We know.
Yeah,
You
and
nearly
yelling,
caused
like
the
threatening
loss
about
of something
Cliffjumper's death.
irreplaceable.
But
Our medic.
dang, like you just took it too
and
far.
most trusted friend. You did lead us to a much-needed Energon supply. And for that,
Man, how did they
we should
got all the
be
Energon cubes?
The synthetic Energon formula clearly needs refining before it can be tested again. On machines, not Autobots.
Let us take comfort in the fact that you were able to dispose of the quantity that remained.
Yeah. Wait, you just came back? Well, how? I thought you left. Okay. Okay, first off, that episode was... I think it was actually good. I thought, like, the good thing Ratchet's gonna show off his moves. I mean, that was actually a good thing if he did try to... I mean, he did try it on himself to see where his eyes turned from, like, blue to green, and he did show the karate moves. He was fine, like, he was just, like, fighting, Vehicons. And he was just saying, hooah! Like, 3 times, but... honestly, that was actually a good one. But dang, I didn't realize he could fight like that, like he's... Because somehow I could see those Energon cubes. They look like cosmic stones to me, you know, like from the Avengers. But, yeah. Honestly, it was... I mean, yeah, but the part that where Ratchet brought up Cliffjumper's death, like, I think he accidentally, like, took it too far because the thing he put it on him during his Energon blood, I mean, I knew, like, he was trying to kill Megatron for that because Megatron already fixed Ratchet's signal for the Autobots, but, I mean, yeah, thanks to Megatron, that, yeah, I knew, Ratchet knew, I mean, Ratchet did thought it was going to be the good thing that could help him do it, but we all did know it wasn't such a bad thing. I mean, that can happen when you turn bad. It's like a symbiote Spider-Man, you know, like taking over his emotions and minds, like anger and hatred. And rage, too. So, overall, I'll give it 9 out of 10 for that one. Yeah, 9 out of 10. So, anyways, if you guys know, hit the like, favorite, comments down below, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications. And then I'll see you later to the next one. But man, Ratchet really took it too far after like fighting the Vehicons with like karate moves and kicked the head and threw a rock at him and trying to know where Megatron's base at. Like, you know, the one with the Energon and Dark Energon mind things, you know. But you know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, bye-bye. Boop.